Hello, welcome to Sephora Correa's cooking channel. I'm her mom Marielyn here once again with you, and today my recipe is prawn masala with capsicum. Okay, it's my way. I hope you enjoy it, and whatever products I have used, the ingredients or the vessels for cooking, you find the link in the description box. Now let's get started. I have cleaned the prawns, I have de-veined them, washed them thoroughly in 2-3 waters and kept them ready for my cooking. Now, all of you know that I use coconut oil for my cooking. Put in 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once the oil gets heated, I will put about 8 to 10 curry leaves. Put in 3 sliced green chilies. After that, put in 1-inch sliced ginger. Here I have finely chopped 12 garlic cloves. Now notice this is on high flame. Now once they're slightly fried, I'll put in the onions that are chopped. I have 4 onions for 1 kg of prawns. Finely chopped 4 onions, and I have to fry them very well till they are brown. You can make the flame medium. Half teaspoon of salt. I've increased the flame now. Now I'll put in the tomato. It's 1 tomato, finely chopped. Fry this very well till the tomatoes are soft. Okay, आता इल्ले उदक घालूंक जाय. ठीक आहे, ते बरेचसे ब्राऊन जाय. ओके, टमाटर खूप जाऊन इल्ले उदक घालते. चड वेळ लागता टमाटर खूप जाऊन म्हणून. High flame, let it be on the high flame. That raw aroma of it, no, should go. It's high flame only. Okay, keep this on a high flame only while cooking, because once the tomatoes are soft and cooked and the raw smell goes away, put in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Because this prawns are 1 kg prawns. Fry the spices well. Put in little water and let it cook. The spices. Put little more water. Let it cook. The spices should get mixed with the onion and tomatoes. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now you put in the washed prawns. Stir it. Let this be on high flame. मागीर भिंडीची सोला घालूंक जाय तातूंत. 4 भिंडीची सोला. I don't know what you say in English. You get this in coastal area. Now put in the capsicums. I have taken about 5 capsicums and sliced. I put in. This is 1 kg of prawns. I put in 5 small, medium-sized capsicum. And this is on high flame itself. 5 minutes are over. It is almost cooked. I'll keep it for another 2 minutes for the water to evaporate on high flame. It is done. Another 2 minutes. And cook this dish on high flame. झाले आणि 2 minutes. Okay, now it is good. I'll put it off. Let it be open for some time. पुरो म्हाका दिसता आनी इल्ले वयर कोथमीर घालूंक जाय. पळयल्यात म्हजे डिश आनी तुमकां पसंद पडूंक जाय. पळय मस्त आसा न्ही. खावं जाय तुमी. ओके and try this recipe of mine. It is the coastal type. It's my own recipe because the spices that I have chosen and the vegetable that I have to put in this. I hope my viewers you will love this. And it's a nutritious and healthy recipe. You have noticed I have not put sauces. Okay, because I don't like the preservative in the sauces. Okay, I think you ask me what else recipes you all want, I will put it. Okay, now I'm not going to taste. I'll keep it. Enough. Bye, see you. And all the description is put, all the ingredients and the products that I have used here is in the description box. You please have a look at it. Okay, enjoy preparing and come back to me next video.